I'm working on the top bedroom on the second floor that we're going to combine with the other larger bedroom to do the master suite and bathroom. We're removing the paneling off the walls, and we are trying to save whatever plaster is underneath that we can salvage, just because, you know, save it and not have to spend money replacing it. But as we pulled off the paneling off of this wall, some of the plaster came off with it. This is extremely thin.
I spent today working on the windows that were missing from the house. These are the two side windows for the dormer, and what I'm doing is I'm not going to make those functional, but they're going to look authentic from the outside of the house, from the inside of the house, but they're basically going to be cocked shut, and with the idea of having a more sealed opening, I wanted to just close those in, but I built these windows just like you would if they were fully functioning. They're 24 inches across, and I forgot what the height was between the two, but they're done with the proper joinery and so forth. And at the top of the window, you have this bevel right here, and then the top pane has a bevel going in the opposite direction, so as the window closes, those bevels meet, and it seals this portion of your double hung window. Here I'm recycling some of the storm windows. I'm pulling the glass from the aluminum frames, and then they will be installed in the wooden framed windows.
Oh look, swans.
And as I redo the bay window on the other side, I'm going to kind of step you through the process. I kind of missed the boat on videoing a lot of the stuff when it came to building the windows, but we have another bay window on the other side that I need to rebuild. I just moved the scaffolding over to this side, and I'm going to start hammering away at that one. Hopefully it'll turn out as nice as the other one. I wanted to give you an idea of what I'm looking at when it comes to the bay window. The shingles are kind of coming off, deteriorated. Inside, looks like we have some critter nesting going on, some bird nests. And then the 2x4s are deteriorated. Here's the window weight, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that guy there. Yep, there's the end of the window weight that fell down out of the window casing.